Hi all, welcome back to another session on web methods. So in this session, I wanted to show how implement GraphQL API. We have learned about GraphQL and how we can test the same using. Wanted to replicate the same scenario in web methods. So how we can do. What I'll now do is create a package or well, is to have the package name replicated here. Well, so it folder name. Now what I'll do is I've downloaded this schema. So this is a schema which I got from GitHub. So what I'll now do is schema here. So using this schema, I'll create a script. You know, I'll say it as I'll select the file from my location and finish. Oh, web methods in the background, it creates all the required folders and so it created me the schema I provided, and these are all the resolvers and those present in GraphQL. So in this example, I wanted to take the film example. What I'll now do is, you can see there are all the document types created by importing and results are nothing but this. So in this, I'll take the film resolver. Yeah. So for this, tags and output is all this. But I'll take a few and show you how this thing work. First, I'll do all HTTP service. The method will the URL will be load as stream. And you guys have seen the previous video, we were setting that in query. The is body of that postman. So in this similarly, what I'll do is I'll set the data in body here. So this and this is the query I'm going to pass. Here I wanted a run for this. I'll do is and we are getting that inside args slash and pipeline with. And once you get that data, and in this, in order to do, once I get that, I want to convert that to the take in the stream. I'll get the output in different formats. So body stream, and we are getting the output as data and name up. So I'll create and this data, and that's it. All these details. So once I run the postman, it should be the web methods URL and it will be the output. So for that, what I'll do is this go to your post requests. Request 5555 and pass the name as GraphQL here and the GraphQL descriptor. I'm going to and this would be at web methods runtime. This will take the ID as this and that in the runtime. Now, let's see what has went there, but it didn't give us any specific. Remember in GraphQL, even if you're any kind of, it will still give you 200. Yes. QL. Let's see what happens. So it has hit, but somehow the data has null here. So good thing is it is pipeline here and happening there. Let's see this. Yeah, I see I'm not seeing it here. Observe the difference. I don't pass the content. It is giving me all these details. It got the schema. If I pass the content type, it is hitting the data there. So that at least but it is working. Alpha. Alright. So now it has worked correctly. So now we have hit the URL and webmethods URL and webmethods URL in turn has hit the uh, Starbucks URL and got the data for the query which see this and this is the same GraphQL example where I invoke the native endpoint directly here and when I click we got the same. This is related header So you can ignore these. These are the coding and all those things. So this is how you implement graph in web.